Hello guys, this is a small offering from my end during this lockdown, and this is um, a very critical situation for the wild animals, wild birds to get food from anywhere. This is something what I am doing on my end. I placed some leftover rice and some broken raw rice paddy on my terrace, and I can see that birds are enjoying this. And this is not for today I'm doing it. This is almost like more than 2 years I have been practicing this, and I keep seeing the visitors, and you can see they are enjoying the food, and some of them still waiting for more. You can see that, and you can see there that there are chipmunks, there are squirrels. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, this guy is waiting to get a chance. Okay guys, please do like and support my channel. Please subscribe so that I can be more motivated, and I can be um, more enthusiastic to uh, put things like this and bring up more and more stuff like this. Thank you. Have a good day.